A federally appointed judge is speaking out after receiving what she calls a threatening and harassing letter from a Houston attorney who's now been terminated because of that letter. Fox 26's Damali Keith has an update on the developing story.
I was shocked and surprised to receive that letter.
This letter sent from Houston attorney Ben Adderholt to immigration judge Erica Hughes begins by addressing the judge by her first name and immediately asks, quote, "Who do you think you are?"
Calling me Erica as if we are friends or if he knows me started off just going in the wrong direction. The letter progresses and gets progressively worse.
In fact, the line in the letter Adderholt wrote that stings most for Judge Hughes is this, quote, "Political animals who treat our judiciary as political games."
The animals part stands out to me, that an individual in 2024 would show such disdain for an individual they've never met.
The letter was written on Adderholt's company letterhead. Law firm Coates Rose tells me Adderholt, quote, "practiced poor judgment," and he has now been terminated. Judge Hughes, a military veteran, believes lawsuits filed against several black female judicial candidates in this election created an atmosphere for people to send the candidates such letters.
I expect to be attacked when I serve in the military. I don't expect to be attacked when I run for a political position in a party, in democracy, in the United States.
While several black female candidates have had their eligibility or qualifications questioned, Judge Hughes was elected a Harris County criminal court judge in 2018 and later appointed as a federal immigration judge.
So no one could attack my qualifications, and so this was another way to try to get me removed from the ballot.
The lawsuit attempting to remove Judge Hughes from the ballot accused her of forging names on a petition. The Texas Supreme Court threw out that claim, but the judge says she has received threatening letters ever since the suit.
And so it's very disheartening that in 2024, I received letters like this, calling me an animal, calling me by my first name. I referenced the date or the year because of the history in this country of slavery. And so I don't expect that in 2024. Democracy is what this country was built on.
Ben Adderholt sent me a statement saying using company letterhead to write a judicial candidate violated his firm's policy. He says that, quote, "was unintentional and careless and an error of judgment," and he apologized for using his company's letterhead. But again, Adderholt's firm confirmed to me he was terminated because of the letter. In the newsroom, I'm Damali Keith, Fox 26 News.